Hello friends, I'm Miss Claudia and today we're going to pretend to make a pizza. Hey, let's start by counting. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4 pizza slices, 5, 6 slices of pizza. Thanks for counting with me. What do we need to make our very own pizza? Crust, pizza sauce. I love pizza sauce. Did you know pizza sauce is made with tomatoes? And we need some cheese. Crust, pizza sauce, cheese. Toppings. We can put on pepperoni, peppers, mushrooms, salami, and pineapple. I like pineapple on my pizza. First, let's pretend to wash our hands. Put your hands together. Rub, rub, rub. Rub, rub, rub. Rub your hands. We're gonna wash our hands. This is actually a very fun activity to do with a grown-up. But for now, we're just gonna pretend. Okay, after you wash your hands, we have to get the dough to make our crust. Take the dough and you roll it, and you smush it, and you pound it, kind of like you're playing with Play-Doh. You can flatten the dough, make it flat, flat, flat. Pretend you have a rolling pin and roll the dough, roll, roll. Move your hands back and forth to roll your dough. You can even pick your dough up and flop it between your hands. Flop, flop, flop. Are you pretending with me? Good job! This is so much fun. I love pretending. Okay, what's next? Let's get our pizza sauce. Get a scoop of sauce and pour it on your dough. Pretend like you're pouring your sauce on your dough. 1, 2, 3, pour. Go around and around with your sauce. Spread it all around your pizza dough. Now, the best part, cheese! We need cheese. Can you pretend with me? Take your hand and pretend that you can sprinkle on the cheese. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. You can put a lot of cheese or a little bit of cheese. Good job putting your cheese on. That's so cheesy. Count with me. Will you count with me? Let's count our toppings. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Meatballs, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. I love meatballs. Pineapple, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, we're almost there, 37, 38, 39, 40. We counted to 40. Thank you so much for counting with me. We counted pepperoni, green peppers, meatballs, and pineapple. Okay, let's put our toppings on the pizza. What would you like to put on your pizza? I love pepperoni and cheese. Some people like mushrooms, salami, peppers, or onions. There's so much you can put on a pizza. What do you like? Okay, after we put our toppings on, what do we do next? What do we do with our pizza next? Yes, we have to cook our pizza. Put it in the oven. Okay, let's pretend to open the oven door. Open and slide our pizza in. And if you're doing this in real life, do it with an adult. The oven can get hot. Make sure you do it with a grown-up. Slide your pizza in. Now it's time for our pizza to cook. Oh, it's gonna be so yummy. When it's finished cooking, we can take it out of the oven and cut the pizza into slices. This is a pizza cutter. It rolls along the pizza. It's sharp. Be careful. This pizza looks so good. Ooh, so much cheese. We did it. We made our pizza. We made the crust, put the sauce on and the cheese and our toppings. We baked our pizza and we cut it. What color are these peppers? Green. If you said green, you're right. You are a smart cookie. What color is the tomato sauce to put on the pizza? Red. The sauce is red. Pineapples. What color are the pineapples? Yellow. Bright and cheery yellow. The meatballs. What color are the meatballs? Brown. 3 meatballs are brown. Good job. Pepperoni. What color are the pepperoni? Red. These pepperoni are red. I love pepperoni on my pizza. Did you know that some pizza can be square? That's right. Which pizza do you like? Circle or square? That's a good choice. I like circle pizza, but square pizza is yummy too. Thank you so much for learning with me today. I had a lot of fun making a pizza, counting to 40, and learning colors. You are one smart cookie. That means you are very smart. Grown-ups, please like and subscribe. Liking this video encourages YouTube to share it with others. Thanks, bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.